Did you know that your chicken can survive longer without feed than without water? If your chicken are drinking less water, your egg production can drop. Your bird can become stressed, and you could lose money without even realizing the causes. In this video, I'll show you the most common reason chickens stop drinking enough water and simply way you can fix it to fix the problem before it affect your frog or before it affect your egg production. Welcome back to my channel. If you want a practical poultry farming tip that will help you increase your egg production and build a profitable poultry business, subscribe now because I share real farming experience every day. Let's get into the topic. The reason number one. The first thing to check is the water itself. If the drinkers are dirty or have mud or dropping in them, chicken might not drink enough water or might not drink at all. Clean your drinkers every day and always provide fresh clean water. Reason number two, hot water. When the water is very hot, water can become warm quickly. Reason number three, not having enough drinkers. If you have many chicken, sharing only one or two drinkers, some bird may not get enough water. Make sure there are enough drinkers so every chicken has easy access throughout the days. Reason number four, it might be illness or stress. If only few chickens stop drinking, check them closely if they are not drinking. They could be sick or injured or stressed. Look for signs such as dropping wings or crossed eyes or poor appetite or unusual behavior that could be the cause. Early action can prevent your biggest problem or your loss of your egg production. So, I have written a book about layer poultry farming for profit. So where I have discussed about water, egg production, health management, and much more. So I will leave the details in the description. Check the description below. So tell me in the comment how many drinkers do you use for your chicken according to the number of the chicken you have. And if you find this video helpful, subscribe, share to other poultry farmers so we can all learn about poultry farming. So in this video, I have shared everything about how to prevent your chicken not to lose. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.